In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manipulate text field boxes in a simple document. I've opened up a PDF in my Adobe Acrobat Pro program, and now I'm going to open up Tools on the top right-hand side. It may look like this when you open it. So we want to open up Forms. Now I'm going to create some forms. If you look at the document, you can see there are some blank lines already put into the document. Whenever you create a document and put blank lines, and then create the forms, the program automatically recognizes the blank lines and will put a text box in them for you, making it very convenient. So I'm going to hit Create here, and just go through the prompt boxes, next. Okay, I'm happy. And I can see that it's already done it for me. It's very convenient. But perhaps I'm not satisfied with the way the boxes look, so I can change the size and things like that. So if I right-click here, I get the Properties box. So let's take a look at the properties. And this allows me to change the way the box looks and how the student's typing will appear. So I can put a border color around the box. For example, I could make it nice bright red. I can put a fill color too. So let's see, I have an orange background, so let's put an orange, pale orange here. And I can also change the text color. Let's do a nice dark color against this. So the text will be this dark color against this background here. I can also choose how large the font is. I generally use auto because if the answer is a short, like 3-letter answer, it'll fit in the box. Or if it's a 12-letter answer, it will also fit in the box. So auto is a good selection there. Let's see, I can go over to options and I can pick where the student's answer will appear in the box. It automatically sets to left. I'm going to set it to center so the answer appears in the center of the text box. If you're doing a large box and you want your students to be able to do something like a list or multiple sentences, you can select multi-line. This allows them to fill in multiple lines of an answer in a box. Probably not good for just a simple box like this, but could be good for a larger box. So I'm happy with that. It looks good. So I'm going to close it. If you wanted to do that with all of them, what you would do is you would select all of the boxes together, open up the properties again, and choose those selections with all of them. So if you want to change one or all of them, you can do that. So I'm going to change that nice color, and I'll do a nice dark background. Let's see, and the text will be a dark red. And now I've done the same thing for all the boxes. So when you're going to decide which boxes you're going to change, select all of them or select the ones you're going to change at the same time to reduce your time. You can also change the size of the boxes. You can go like this to make them a little smaller. Now you can see I've made that. It looks maybe a little bit nicer for on the page. Maybe I want them all to be the same. So I'm going to select all of them here. And I'm going to go back to the one that I changed. And when I'm hovering over the one that I changed, I'm going to right-click and open, not properties this time, but we're going to go down to set fields to same size. And I can set them all to the same height, the same width, or both. I don't want to do width in this case because the blank spaces are a different size, but I will do height. So I'm going to make them all the same size. Now you can see they went up a bit, so because they're all still collected, when I move one, they're all going to move down. There we go. And now they're back on their lines. So that's how you can manipulate the size and the look of your text boxes. And I'm just going to close the form editing so you can see what they look like. So now the students will see this when they open it up. And when they type their answer in, let's see, there are. There we go, that's the answer for that one. That's what it's going to look like when the students do it on their iPads.